In this video, I will show you how to fix the Shopee Voucher error M02. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new browser and come across to Shopee.com. Once you've done that and you're on the Shopee website, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three dots to open up a menu. From here, you want to select on clear browsing data, and you actually want to go ahead and clear the cookies, cache and site data for Shopee. So from this screen, you would just simply come down and press the blue clear data button. What it's going to do is clear the data and cookies. What you can then do is go ahead and refresh the Shopee.com website. And when you refresh the website, you'll be taken back to the login screen. Just go ahead and log in. And that should now fix the problem for the voucher error code M02. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.